Hi everyone, today I'm gonna tell you that people are scared to buy options. As I'll tell you some advantages and disadvantages of buying and selling of options. What people mostly do is the people who have a limited amount of capital, they mostly buy and buy it, options buyer. They are the more options buyer, while people who have large capital is options seller. As you can understand the psychology of buying and selling, people think that selling an option have unlimited risk, while buying an option has limited risk. This is the first one I'm going to explain you. The thing is, see, in the selling you need a lot of margin money, and in buying you just need to pay the premium. The second point is they have unlimited risks. The option seller has unlimited risk, and the option buyer unlimited profit. Though theoretically it is correct, but practically I don't think it is correct, as the market will not go, Nifty will not go 2000 points up, or it will not become zero. So in the same way, option sellers, the market will not directly jump and move so high and it will not go zero. In the same way, the risk means you can suppose I'll give you an example. The people who is having around 5 crore of capital, if he invests in selling 1 crore of capital, he may not lost everything, but yeah, the market volatility goes so high and violently moving up and high. So the third point I'm going to explain is why people prefer buying premiums, options, that it have limited risk, the amount of premium they paid, while it's not in the case of selling. The risk and reward ratio is different in both buying and selling. Selling has limited profit, which is when you sell it for around, if you sell it for 100 premium, or you'll get only 100 points, 100, while if you buy it by 10, then market can go up, but theoretically and practically is two different things. So I'm gonna tell you something. For every contract bought is every contract sale, but you know, is in SGX Nifty in Singapore, there's no contract sale and bought. That is why no one is buying in the SGX Nifty. Option not traded there. Not a single option is traded there. So mostly it is done in India, in the Nifty, Bank Nifty. So I'm gonna explain you one more thing, that if you wanna sell options, what you can do is some broker accept FDs, collaterals, shares, and then you can put that as a collateral and sell the lots, sell the Nifty and Bank Nifty, and make a good profit without even giving the hard cash. While in the call segment, in the buying segment, you have to pay the premiums. So these are the four main differences in option selling and buying. Thank you.